Alright, hi honey. Yeah, I gotta go. The maintenance guy's here. Hold on. Alright, let me let him. Hey, are you the maintenance guy?
It's hot. I gotta go now.
What about my microwave?
I'm not here for your microwave. Okay, maybe I was.
No. We're trying to microwave some burritos, but I don't know what's wrong.
The time, stupid. Watch this. Beverage. 2.
Where are you going?
Stupid. Stupid. 5. 2. Food.
Where are you going now?
Stupid.
You're letting all my air conditioning out.
Stupid.
Hey, did you guys call about a microwave?
I'm calling the cops.
Stupid.